Good morning everyone, I am at my parents' house. I fled Oslo when the lockdown had started. I just couldn't deal with being alone there, so I'm going to stay at my parents' house for a little while. Let's get some breakfast and see what this lockdown day has in store for us. It's going to be fun, I promise. Okay, let's go.
500 gigantic international, it's a huge list of...
So I've just gotten into my walking clothes or clothes for hiking, so I'm going to go out for a little walk and just get some fresh air because there's literally nothing much else to do. Nothing much else to do. Yeah, let's go. Hello everyone, I've become one of those YouTubers that is filming in the car, but I'm not driving yet. Yeah, I'm just gonna go out for a walk as mentioned, and the weather is quite nice today. It's really sunny, so I'm very looking forward to just getting some fresh air, as I haven't been feeling too well, but now I'm feeling very good, so I'm very excited for that. And just gonna set up my car. Not my car, it's my dad's car. I love this car, it's so nice. Do you see this? Oh, love it. It's like you can see the sky. Literally, you can. Okay, just gonna call my friend.
Crazy times.
I know. So lovely here, very nice. So I'm just gonna pick up my friend and we're gonna go for a little walk, 1 meter. Yeah. Hello. Hello.
Only keep it the truth, yeah. There's a treasure out there. Just everyone should just have to choose, yeah.
What you watching? Definitely the birds. What you saying? Good morning everyone. Hello and welcome to the same vlog. Oh, there is a fly in here. Can you get out? Oh my god, I need to look at this. Where did it go? Here it is. Can you see it? Little fly. Oh my god. Woo! Fly away. Oh shit. I think I killed it. Come on. Woo! Mission accomplished. Saved a fly today. Nice. So I'm currently at my parents' house. My mom and me are going to go for a little walk along the beach, which is a very nice beach, and I'm very excited to show you the beach because it's literally the nicest beach ever. I think it really looks like, yeah, the south of Europe and something like that. Really looks like Greece, really. Yeah. So she's coming outside now. I'm not sure if she wants to join the vlog. Probably not. So you're just gonna keep up with me today. And let's go. yesterday me and Chris, we released a Norwegian song that is called Av Deg, and today I think we are going to manage to get 10k streams, 10,000 streams, and yesterday we hit 5,000 in just a day, which I think is very, very cool, and yeah, you should go and check it out. I will post a link in the description box below. And I hope you're doing fine, I hope you have the best time. I'm gonna try and make this a little weekend vlog for you guys. I'm just gonna head back to the car now, me and my mum. And we're gonna pick up some candy and just enjoy the rest of this Saturday. And look at this beach, I love this place so much, and I hope that we get to spend the summer here. It's so nice in the summertime. Back in the car. I needed to go on my iPhone because my camera ran out of batteries. We've just been to the candy shop, which reminds me so much of the song The Candy Shop. Anyways, this day has been lovely. The walk was so nice, and when we finished the sun came out, so that was very lovely. I'm very, very happy with the song. I'm in love with how many streams we've gotten in just like 2 days. And it's so amazing. Makes me feel like maybe I should do more songs in Norwegian, which I know won't happen just because I love singing in English, and yeah, that's what I'm going to continue doing. Good morning. It's not morning. It's the afternoon, really. I think it's 4 o'clock, and it's a new day and it's a new hike, and let's go. In the woods. It's really nice, and it's right to the airport, so when the planes are going in for landing you can actually lay down and they will be right above your head. I don't think we will be able to see that today because we are very early and there isn't a lot of planes coming or leaving at this time because of the situation that we're all dealing with. But it's so nice. I love being outside, and I'm very sorry for this being like a nature vlog, but I love being in the nature. That is what really makes me happy and gives me energy and stuff.